Hi! In front of me is Honor 90 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. Begin by going into Settings and clicking on More Connections right away. Then select Printing, Default Print Service, and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. If you wish to use different service, tap on blue sweater at the top, go back, hit Add Service and download the best one for your printer. When your new service is ready, tap on the back button twice. Then click on your new service and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!